How to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 4 Attestation Requirement Not Met error? First step, check TPM, open run and type the following text, tpm.msc, type it and click OK. Check the status and specification version. The status should be TPM is ready for use and the specification version is 2.0. And also check the manufacturer name. Depends on the device, it may vary, but once you check it, then move on with next step. Open run and type the following text MSINF432 and click OK. Check the BIOS mode and secure boot state. The system information page will appear. In this you need to check the BIOS mode and secure boot state. The BIOS mode should be UEFI and the secure boot state should be on state. Then move on with next step. Run activation attestation wizard. Download the latest Call of Duty secure attestation wizard from activation official support page. Click it and click the download option. Once clicking, after it start downloading, wait for some time to download completely. Download completed. After downloading you need to click it and extract. After extracting, open it, then click run scan. Run a scan to check the TPM and secure boot. Check for result, then move on with next step. Enable TPM 2.0, reset the PC and enter BIOS or UEFI. You can usually get this by repeatedly pressing delete F2 or F10 immediately after turning the PC on. Find the TPM settings. If you have AMD, so the manufacturer, you have seen the state, or depends on the device, it may vary. If you have AMD, go with AMD FTPM or AMD CPU FTPM or Firmware TPM. Set it to enabled. If you have Intel, go with the Intel PPT or Platform Trust Technology or Secure Device Support. Set it to enable. Then move on with next step. Enable secure boot state. Find secure boot. Set secure boot state enabled and CSM disabled. After completing, then save and restart it. Then move on with next step. Update Windows. Click settings, click Windows Update and make your Windows up to date. If there is any download or installation pending, having means you need to download and install it and make your Windows up to date. Once completing, after you need to restart your device. Thank you.